Let's make product manipulation. Make a rectangle shape and change the background color. Make a circle shape and flip new rough shape with different shades. Apply blur effect on rough shape. Do this process again and again. Make a copy of whole circle and convert it to Smart Object. Make a multiple copies of circle and adjust on different places. Bring a product in PNG and adjust it. Make copy of product and clip with circle and adjust it. Make another copy of product and make a shadow effect of it. Now make copy of all circles and apply mask on it, and remove some parts with gradient tool. Take new layer brush black to give shadow effect. Now make a curtain shape with pen tool. Make multiple shape inside curtain. Shape and apply blur effect on all of it. Make copy of all shade, shape, and place on other side. Clip new layer with curtain and brush with dark shade. Take new layer on background and brush with dark shade. Thank you for watching.